Oh my freaking god! Oh my god, bro! Hey, what's up to all my beautiful Israelites? I hope everyone is great and happy New Year to everyone. I'm happy to be here back in Israel. So the reason why I've came back in Israel, it's because of this person called Yuval Raphael. Okay, so the first time I've went to Israel was to check out a person called Elan Golan, right? So she sung a song called Hurricane. That's one of my favorite songs ever in that competition. And I believe she sung that song based off what the incident that went down on the October incident that took place in Israel. But then, bro, that teared me up instantly, bro. I was so shocked. I was so heartbroken based on the situation. And you Israelites people are so beautiful, bro. I appreciate you all so much. You guys are such a beautiful race, man. And so much love from Jamaica. So much love from Jamaica. I love you all so much, man. Trust me. The love is beyond real and it's beyond explanation at this point. So, thanks for accepting me here, Israelites. So we're gonna react to this song called Anyone. So with that being said, let's all go together. Peace.
I try to talk to my piano. I try to talk to my guitar. Talk to my imagination. Confide it into alcohol.
Wait. Is this her original voice? Oh! Hey, this is her original voice? No way, bro. No way. Ain't no freaking way.
I tried and tried and tried some more. Told secrets till my voice was sore. Tired of empty conversations, cause no one hears me anymore. 100 million stories.
Whoa, her voice is extraordinary. Oh, bah, bah, bah. Hey, her voice is extraordinary, bro. Bro, I've known about the Israelites, right? I've known that they can sing really good. And it's a lot of talented people are from Israel. Okay? So when I hear the Israel singing, my entire day lights up, man. Like it's crazy, bro.
In 100 million songs, I feel stupid when I say nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening. I talk to superstars, but they always get it wrong. I feel stupid when I pray. So why am I praying anyway? If nobody's listening, anyone.
Oh, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no freaking way. No way. Ain't no way, dog. Ah! Yo, that's her voice, man. Oh my god. Ah! Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on. Don't do me this. Ah! Yo, her voice is terrific. Her voice is terrific, man. Terrific voice.
Please send me anyone who
my freaking god! Oh my god, bro! Yo! Yo! Definitely a masterpiece, bro. Definitely a masterpiece. Oh my god, she can sing so good. She's wonderful, bro. Natures of wonders. Oh wow. Wow. Wow.
Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening. Anyone, please send me anyone. Lord, is there anyone? I need someone. Oh, anyone, please send me anyone. Oh Lord, is there anyone?
Wonderful voice with a magical voice. Yo, I'm sorry I didn't react to this sooner, but her voice is such magic. Oh my god! Rah, rah, rah! Oh, whoa, wow, wow, wow.
I need someone. 100 million stories and 100 million songs. I feel stupid when I sing. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening.
Wow, extraordinary, extraordinary. Wow, wow. Miss Raphael, you've done superbly. An excellent performance. Rah, rah. Wow, that was good. That was really good. That was good. So if you guys want some more reaction from my side to her, then you can always subscribe, bro. Subscribe because I do love this, bro. Love it so much. So thanks for watching. Please enjoy. Hit the bell icon for more videos from her, from Era After and beyond. Okay. So I'll see you all around, man. Peace.